He's turning. He's completely sideways. He's going upside down.
Rolling.
He's upside down.
down.
Holy shit!
Oh,
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Come on.
Holy
He's going
shit!
in the water.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Is he okay? He's okay.
pulling out?
He's okay.
Fuck.
He's okay. He's okay. He's okay.
What in the fuck?
Guys,
is
he's
going
coming
on?
this way. He's coming this way. Guys, do we leave? What do we
No,
do?
it's fine. He's okay.
Are you sure he's not gonna hit us?
Yeah, it's fine. What
You're
the
sure?
hell is going
He's
on?
not gonna hit us? Are you sure he's not gonna hit us? Are you sure he's not gonna hit us? Are you sure he's not gonna hit us? Are you sure? Guys. Where's he going? Guys. Oh my god, I thought he was gonna crash. Oh my god.
Rolled it upside down.
Upside down. He was upside down. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Oh my god. There's people on the plane. Oh my god. Guys. Guys. Should we leave? Guys. Should we leave? Should we leave? Like, is he gonna crash into the land? Like, is he gonna crash into us? But he got so close.
I thought he was going to crash into the water.
I thought so too.
You guys. Oh my god. Oh my god.